I woke up this morning, right, and I'm so angered in my spirit, like I'm so livid. And this stems from, I watched the video of a young girl being physically bullied and assaulted, like physically assault from her fellow classmates. Parents, this is not even about mothers. Parents, train your children. Train your children. You are a product right now, because I see a lot of adults these days say, oh, my parents did not do this for me, my parents did not do that for me. They could only give you to the level that they had, to the level of knowledge that they had. They can't give you what they don't have. What did they know? They knew what they knew, and that was what they were able to transcend right to you. Back then there were no even social media that really publicizes like bad behaviors like this. There was nothing. Nobody is putting a camera in your life or any stethoscope in your life. Nobody could see anything. So our parents were literally like from flawed generations, right? Like it's not a hidden thing that beating was a thing, scolding, embarrassing a child out there was a thing. It's not a hidden thing, but that's what they knew and that's what they could give. Now that we know better, now that we are now in the social media age, that it has brought light to a lot of things that we used to say think good, that is now bad. Now that we know, we should really do better. Honestly, I feel like if a lot of parents really sit down, forget about nannies training your children, forget about uncles and this person training your children. If you really sit down, a lot of mothers don't even know the personalities of their children. A lot of mothers don't even know what their children can do. Apart from a lot of mothers, a lot of parents don't even know what their children can do and undo. Honestly, I was having a conversation with a colleague of mine, and what he told me, I couldn't believe it. What he told me, that somebody in his son's class was already watching pornography at 12 years. Where did she start watching it from? Her elder ones that are in secondary school. They're already exposed to pornography and they're watching these things. We are spending time on the internet, pressing phone, talking rubbish, analyzing rubbish, this one, that one. The children that you are giving birth to are there, growing on their own, growing bigger than you, accessing things that would damage the upbringing, the things that you have instilled in them, and you don't know. You don't know. I saw a video sometime around where I think a boy slapped his nanny and the nanny slapped him back and all, and the mom told the boy, good for you, right? And a lot of people came out that time and was saying, if you slap my child, if you beat my child, that is the end of it for you. I will beat you, I will send you off. You are an enabler. This is me telling you that you are an enabler. Yes. Because if your child is well trained, they will know that physical assault, lay your hand on someone that is even way bigger than you, not because the person came to do nanny for you, way bigger than you, it's a no. And it's a practical lesson. Like, even if I would send that child away from my house. I think I had this conversation with a friend of mine. Even if I would send that nanny away from my house, but I would tell my child, if you slap someone, that is the repercussion that you will get for slapping somebody that is even bigger than you. If you decide to go through the way of resolving issues by slapping and not waiting for me to come, you will get slapped back. There's no two ways about it. If you want to go through the route of physical assault on someone that you feel like is walking under your mother's roof or under your parents' roof, you will get a slap back. But that's a great lesson for that child. But when you take the action of, I will beat the person back, I will slap you, don't touch, what are you teaching your child? That it's okay that you will go out there, you slap somebody, your parents will protect you, this one. No, let your child know that physical assault results to physical assault. If And the mother was right for saying she did the right thing. Though I will send you out of my house because I did not employ anybody, or I don't want a situation where my house will turn into a boxing ground or a fighting ground. But I will tell you thank you for telling my child that that is the way. If you slap me, I slap you back. If you beat me, I beat you back. If you don't respect me, I won't respect you back. And then after that, the next day I can tell you, pack your things and go away. Pack your things and go away. I don't wish you well. If I can find somewhere else for you, I probably will find somewhere else, but not under my roof, because I'm raising young children and I want them to understand that physical assault is a no-no. It's a no-no. And then you have somebody bullying classmate to the point that you are giving that child multiple slaps. And then we are in this day and age. See, a lot of us are going to sit down in years to come to see the kind of children that we have raised. Some people, see, pray one prayer that now that your child, you think is every time I will see people come out and say, I'm so stressed out, my children are so small, they are so stressed out, they're stressing me out, I need a girl's trip, I want to blah 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 blah. Let your child be 16, 17, girl, boy, lighting igbo, smoking, abusing drugs, different things, and then you wish that you see those times that you were telling your child, I'm so tired, I'm stressed out, I'm this, that you actually sat down and really trained your child, taught them so many things. If I pray a prayer as a parent, let my children not be a burden to me in old age, when I'm supposed to be enjoying you, you're supposed to be taking care of me. You are not the one that is a burden to me because I did not do the underground work I'm supposed to do. I remember when someone was advising me to say, as I'm traveling, I should leave Kaito. Kaito was just 2 years old. I should leave Kaito, it's going to stress me. I'm pregnant now. I said, leave it for who? For who? Even my husband was saying, leave it for who? For my husband that will go to work and then comes back, and then maybe, okay, I will arrange for nanny, because I was going with my mom. I'll arrange for nanny that will come and take. No, there's nobody that can take care of my child. Nobody that can take care of my child better than myself and my husband. Nobody. A few, what they call it, Soti has even slept here. Soti keeps even asking me, that time she was like, but you have nanny now, allow her bath her, allow her. I say, no, I can't give you full totality of my children, take care of them for me, teach them, do this one for you. You cannot even give what you don't have. I've learned. My parents were open about their mistakes, and I've learned to do better, especially with my children, to do better, especially in my life going forward. Marriage is different thing. You can never easily trigger me. It's not possible. Even on this internet space, I tell people when I do my post section, when some people come and say, what are we learning from this one? What are we learning? I either block you and go. I don't know you. I don't know your papa house. I don't even know your son name. Me and you probably would have never even crossed paths if I was never on the internet. So who the hell are you? I pass and go. You can never easily trigger me. It's a thing that I have trained myself. You see all these people that say, I'm so quick to anger, and they vex quickly, and they this one, that one, that. Watch them all. It's a mental problem. I'm so quick to anger, and they vex. If you see me, they vex. The small thing, they make me vex. Why small thing would they make you vex? Why? Why are you easily triggered? Why can you easily just lose your cool and all? Why? And some people don't know that they actually need counseling for anger management. It possibly is even anger management. You don't know. And those people are parents. People say, oh, the girl should have fought back. The girl should have. No. A wise person will run away and fight again. Because she was outnumbered. Oh, she would have slapped back, and they gather her and they beat her, and it turns into something else. No. But you can see that because of her calmness, look at the actions that are being taken. Imagine if she had laid her finger back or something, they would say, okay, just two young girls that are fighting and all. You need to use emotional intelligence. I say emotional intelligence. You can never take it. They give me back, I give you back today. If you give me, I go give you back. If you give me, for who? For what? For who? For what? You can see what her calmness and everything has produced. All Nigerians are, even if she was even the one that poked anybody, even if she was the one that poked the girl, but because of her calmness, because of not even talking, not retard, and those people fear them, because when they want to act, they can never know what they're about to do. When they want to act, all these kind of people that if you poke them 1, 2, 3, they never retaliate to you. The day they want to retaliate to you, oh, you are going down. One by one, you are going down. You are going down. You can see what her calmness has. It produced a lot of rage in a lot of Nigerians that are taking it so serious. In their mind, she might even be the one that, we did not even see the clip, but she might be the one that must have even poked the person or something. But because of her calmness, parents, spend time with your children. Teach them. Teach them, especially when, if you notice when your children are beginning to talk, they are smart, they are this, oh, mommy, Patience did this to me. I said, Kaito, you are lying. I watched it on the camera. No, don't do that. I didn't train you to be a liar. Don't do that. Don't do that. Go and apologize to Patience for lying on her. Don't do that. It's not in my house. Do not do that. You start by being manipulative, and because of, oh my God, my child is my child, you begin to enable bad behavior. You are breeding liars, armed robbers, different things. You will see a child will take a sweet. You will ask the child, did you take it? They say, I did not take it. You will see the mother will not even do proper investigation. Yes, oh, he did not take it. She did not take it. It seems like, you know, I bless God for the place that I work. Oh God, I bless God for work-life balance. That there is even a space that is created. There is a guest house that is created. A lot of you don't know. There is a guest house space that is created for mothers with children. Bring your children and stay there. Sometimes I take my children to the office. Have I been offered better pay, better things to transition to what they call? Yes, but no, it's a sacrifice. I have two young children, and when you give birth to children, their brains are tabula rasas. It's you that will begin to instill. I was telling someone, I say I have a boy and girl. If Kaima looks for Kaito's trouble, I never tell him to beat back. Don't beat back, don't slap back, don't know. Whatever your mouth cannot resolve, let your hand not resolve it. You should go and hug yourself. Say sorry. Say sorry. Kaito, you are Kaima's elder brother, and you will lead her. Kaima, don't do that. Stop looking for trouble. Children are very, very smart. So spend time with them. Spend time with your children. You will know that you think that because they are 1 year, 2 year old, they don't know anything. These I don't know what they do. I've been in the midst of a child that inside restaurant, the child has come to my stand, come to my table to beg for food, for chicken, and the mother was saying, just give her. Now, do you know me? Do you know me from anywhere? How will you just tell me, just give her? It's the chicken bone she came for. That's drumstick bone. It's the chicken bone she came. Do you know me? Where do you know me from? And you want to encourage me to give your child, me that is a stranger. That is how you breed entitled children. They will be so entitled to your money, to people's money, to different things. Oh, this brother no one help me. Oh, this person does not want to help me, and he has. This person has chicken on their table. My daughter does not have chicken drumsticks, and she does not want to give her. What the hell? Did me and you give birth to the same child? Train your children. Train your children. Spend time. I've never been this livid, and I want this video to go up as soon as possible. Please train your children. I'm begging you people. Spend time. As much time you spend on the internet, as much time you spend hustling out there, train your children as well. These are the next generation. Train them. Don't leave them for iPad. Don't leave them iPad and television and everything is training them. Nannies are training them. Different things are training. Train them. Train them. It's a family unit now. When you were single, you did things as a single person. Oh, Bomsy, you love to cook. You love, yeah. I love to take care of my family. I love to spend time with my children. They are my children. I've been there, done that. I've lived alone. If you don't know, I've lived alone. I have gone for parties. I've gone for, but God has brought me to another phase of my life. What do I want to go back for? I want to plan girls trip. I want to do this one. Hey, I want to do that one. No, this is the foundation life of my children. Who do I want to leave them for? My parents don't even stay in Lagos. They stay in Port Harcourt. Who do I want to leave them for? Who? And go and shake and go and enjoy myself. Go and shake my ash. Who? It's a sacrifice. There comes a point in time in my life that I will be able to do all of these things. If I'm able to see a situation where, okay, my mom is available or something, okay, good and fine. Mommy, please come and let me just watch them or something. Let me just, but please, train your children, please. Please, it's appalling to see. Parents, dads, you are working, you are there, and the head of the home, and the head, it takes one bad child to squander your wealth that you think that you have worked for. One nuisance of a child to squander all the things they say you have worked for, you have built house, you have done this, they go sell your documents, they go do. It takes one bad child to be a burden to you to squander everything.